business reviews and why it matters for your business or any small business. In this technological world of social media, reviews are very important for businesses because it lets other people see what the business is about and if it's trustworthy and if it's somebody that you want to hire. The relationship that you have with your current clients is crucial on building more clientele for your business. So it's always good to follow up with a text or a message after a really good cleaning or the initial cleaning, or if it's a one-time cleaning, or if you did something a little extra. Throughout your communication with your client, just see how everything is looking with your job that you're doing. See how they're feeling about your work. And whatever they tell you through the text, take it as constructive criticism. Now, if they give you a kind compliment, if they tell you did a fantastic job, ask them, can I take a screenshot of this and can I post it as a review or can I share it? Whatever they say, whether it's oh my God, Kathy, I love the way your cleaners smell. They smell so fantastic and I love coming home to a clean home. I'm going to ask, can I screenshot this and share it? 99% of the time, they're going to say yes. So then I'll screenshot it, whether it has their name on the text, but I always make sure to remove any personal information like an address or a phone number. But if they don't mind having their name on it, then I'll leave their name. If they want it as anonymous, then I will remove their name off of it. But I like to ask my clients, can I please share this as a review? Now, second of all, I can also ask, can you leave that as a review? Maybe they want to leave it as a review. So then I'll give them the link to my Facebook business page and they can leave the review on that. They can also leave a Google review. So if you don't have a website, make sure you work on having a website set up and then linking it to Google so that you can get Google reviews. I do always suggest going the free route first. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, these are all free websites that you can use towards advertising for free. So if you get a review via text or an email from a client, or even somebody who knows about your business but likes your business and hasn't used it yet and they said something really nice about you, take a screenshot of that and share it. Make a little album on your Facebook business page of just all happy reviews and share that. Sometimes you can even get reviews from people who did not use your service, but that really like you as a person or like your employees or like your business ethics or like your business in general. And they share for you or they follow you or they root you on. So connect with them. Make a friendship with them. They're like your personal cheerleaders. If somebody is telling you you're doing a good job and you're not sharing it, then how do you expect to get more clients if they don't know how great of a job you're doing? And sometimes we can't always depend on the client to do it because they have busy lives. That's the reason why they hired us in the first place. So if they don't get a chance to write a review, then just take a screenshot of what they said, ask if you could share it, and then share that. So that's one way that you can get reviews for your business. If you like that, make sure to follow down below, like, comment, share. Let me know what other topics you'd like to talk about for your cleaning business. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Or if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to share more eco-oily cleaning tips. So don't forget, like, subscribe, love, share, follow along. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and YouTube, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. See you soon. Stay crunchy, fat, clean. Peace.